This is the song that I'm translating. You know, Dr. Nico came into Rumba Congolese and he left quite some memorabilia. This is one of those songs that Dr. Nico composed and delivered so nicely. The song is called Bougie ya motema. It's a very popular song. And because I've previously given you the profile and biography of Dr. Nico, I want to go straight into, yes, the lyrics of this song. 1967, 1968, there, yes. Lala ponginga na senga tubela okondi mangai. That please sleep, and while you are asleep I want to make some confessions, and when you wake up you will actually agree with me, you will accept me. These are very strong words that open the song. Nakotambwisayo moto mpoyo ondima. I'm going to make your head go round and round and round. I'm actually going to change your thoughts, to change your thinking so that you can accept me. Bougie ya motema ngalula. So Bougie is actually generally seen as somebody who is called a bougie, generally somebody that is seen as being high class, you know, or very sassy. So this guy is saying that this Ngalula is high class, is sassy, and is even calling her Bougie motema, that you are my sassy, or you are my high class kind of woman, and you belong to my heart. Wow. Lala ponginga na senga tubela okondi mangai. You know, I want you to sleep, and during your sleep I am going to have a confession. So tubela is actually to confess. So I'm going to have a confession, and then when you wake up in the morning, or when you wake up from your sleep, you will actually accept me or agree to my ways. Nakotambwisayo moto poyo ondima. And I'm going to, you know, make your head go round and round. I'm going to turn around your thought processes, or your thinking, or your feelings, so that you can actually accept me. What? Bougie motema ngalula. So Bougie, my classic, my high end, my sassy woman, the woman of my heart, for that matter. Lala ponginga na senga tubela. So you sleep a little so that I can confess my sins, so that I can more or less like repent my sins, and then when you wake up, of course, okondi mangai, you will accept me, or you'll agree with me. Nakotambwisayo moto poyo ondima. I am going to make your head go faster and faster. I'm actually going to change your thought processes. I'm going to influence you in a manner that you will accept or agree with me. Bougie motema ngalula. So my sassy, my very expensive, my high-end ngalula, you know. That is Dr. Nico himself. Lala pongingana senga tubela. So please sleep, get into sleep so that I can repent, I can confess, I can ask to be forgiven. After that, you are going to accept me. Nakotabusayo moto poyo ondima. I'm going to change to drive you crazy so that you can actually accept me. Bougie motema ngalula. So this bougie that is high class belongs to me, to my heart, you know. Ngalula mipende ya milangi. Ngalula mipende ya milangi. Wow. Deep lyrics here. So he's actually describing how Ngalula looks like. So mipende are thighs, and molangi is a bottle or a flask or such a container. So he's just describing that the thighs of Ngalula look like those of, you know, a bottle or a flask. He's actually overwhelmed by her beauty, in other words. Boya bango lokola lisano. Boya bango lokola lisano. Refuse them just like a joke, like you are playing around. So lisano is a joke, it's a dance or something. But in this case, saying boya bango lokola lisano. Refuse them just like as if you are joking, as if you are not serious with them. Kobosanate kombo bolingo. Kobosanate kombo bolingo. And do not refuse the name love. Clementine suki ya meme. Hey, Clementine suki ya meme. And Clementine, whose hair looks like that of sheep, you know, like the wool of sheep. Moi ebimi omoningalula. Moi ebimi omoningalula. And you know, the sun has risen, the sun has come out. Have you seen? Ngalula mamana kamunga. Ngalula, the mother of Kamunga. Boya bango lokola lisano. Refuse them as if you are joking, you know, as if you're not very serious, you know. Kobosanate kombo bolingo. Do not refuse the name love. Clementine suki ya meme. Clementine that has a hair like that of a sheep. That looks like that her hair is as fine as wool on sheep. Moye bimi omoningalula. And you know, the sun has come out. Have you seen? Ngalula mamana kamunga. Ngalula, the mother of Kamunga. That's now, that's Dr. Nico, you know, manipulating the guitar. Sukisa. Of course, he says Sukisa, and you know that that is the name of his band, African Fiesta Sukisa. Ngalula mipende ya milangi. Ngalula that has thighs that look like those of that look like a bottle. Boya bango lokola lisano. Boya bango lokola lisano. Refuse them, you know, just like a joke. Clementine suki ya meme. Clementine suki ya meme. Clementine that has hair like that of sheep. Moye bimio moni ngalula. Ngalula mamana kamunga. Then the song comes to an end. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you.